Guys, it's Raleigh Mason, Mejaro Inspection Services again. Today I want to talk about downspouts and how making sure they drain away from the house. Runoff water from a roof is super important. Make sure the foundation stays dry. You don't have any issues around the house, especially negative grading. Right along here you can see we've got an inside corner downspout and outside. Both have extensions on them. These we like to see, no matter the type, but we like to see them at least 4 to 5 feet away from the house. In this case, both appear to be doing well, as well as the actual site has been sloped well, so that it'll keep water away from the house. It should over time. So you just want to make sure that you have extensions and not the rain splash guards, because those splash guards will eventually settle in on the backside and let water roll back to the house and keep moisture right along that foundation, which as that freezes and thaws will certainly cause issues, depending on the foundation type, cause issues over the years that you'll have to address, usually with the structural engineer.